こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today I'm gonna teach you something very interesting and important, but that makes me a little bit embarrassing. I feel embarrassed. Well, the first word, 恥ずかしい。恥ずかしい. This means I'm embarrassed. This is E adjective. 恥ずかしい恥ずかしい This is E adjective, so it means I can conjugate. For example, 恥ずかしくない I'm not embarrassed. 恥ずかしくない恥ずかしかった I was embarrassed. 恥ずかしくなかった I wasn't embarrassed. But anyway, today I'm embarrassed. Oh, I'm gonna give you a hint to remember this kanji, 恥ずかしい. Well, this part, the right part is kokoro, our heart, our mind. So it's understandable because 恥ずかしい. Oh, I'm embarrassed. It's something to do with my feeling, right? But this left part is mimi, the ear. Maybe you can think like this. When you're very embarrassed, maybe you feel so hot in your ears, and your ears get red. Your ears are getting red, and oh, my heart is beating. Oh, I'm embarrassed. Like this. So this is 恥ずかしい, and this is the way how you can learn this kanji. The reason why I'm making this video, it's because this theme is very important, essential, and I know this kind of vocabulary is very, very necessary, and you are going to need it. And usually nobody teaches you. So that's why I'm gonna make this video. 重要, important, essential, and this is also na adjective. This is adjective, but in this case, na 形容詞, na adjective. The first word is トイレ and also お手洗い. Well, トイレ and お手洗い both mean bathroom, restroom. But トイレ, it comes from English word toilet. お手洗い 手 this means hands. 洗います it means wash. So the place where you wash hands, お手洗い. But both mean restroom, bathroom. But maybe お手洗い is a little bit more elegant to say it. But anyway, you can use them both and they are correct. Toilet seat. Toilet seat, we say in two ways. 便座 or 便器. 便座 or 便器. Maybe you know this 座. This comes from the verb 座ります to sit down. 座ります 座ります. Then maybe you think this 便 I know the adjective 便利 便利 this means very practical, very convenient, very useful. This is 便利. So maybe you think useful seat or practical seat. This must be the seat of the toilet seat. But actually, this 便, the same kanji, but it has different meaning here. And 便器 and 器, this means the container, a container. So now I'm going to explain you what does 便 mean. Well, we've got three words to say poop. Well, and this the first one, 大便 便, this kanji is the same as this one, this meaning. So it means poop. But we've got three ways, and these three ways are slightly different. 大便, the first one, 大便, it means feces. And the second one, うんち, in this case, here in hiragana, and also sometimes we can use in katakana, うんち. And this second one, this means number two. it is just like a normal poop. This is unchi. And if you have to talk about poop, I think it's better to use this word, unchi, better than the other one. The last one, unko, and also we can write in katakana. But anyway, these all three words mean the same thing. But for me, the last one seemed quite rude, quite quite vulgar. So I think it's better to use unchi, much better than to use unko, because this one, the last one, it is what it's somewhat like to say shit. So I think it's better to use unchi, like poop. So this is the meaning of benza and benki, the toilet seat. Seat for poop, the container for poop. But we've got a medical word, kenben. Kenben. This ken comes from the kensa. Kensa します. Examination. So, kenben, the examination of feces. And kenben is very important to prevent from colon cancer. Well, gan, this means cancer, any kind of cancer. And daicho, dai, this kanji means big, big. And cho, intestine. So maybe you say large intestine. And large intestine, this is also colon. So daichogan is cancer of colon, colon cancer. I think you remember these two adjectives. One, 大きい big, and 小さい small. 大きい big, 小さい small. If we said 大腸 large intestine, then what is this one? 小腸 This is small intestine. Small intestine. 小腸. Now we are going to learn the word constipation. Constipation, we say in Japanese, benpi. Benpi. You know, ben, poop. And pi, this comes from the secret. 秘密の秘密 secret. It's like a poop secret. This means constipation. The opposite word, 反対 opposite. Opposite word of constipation is 下痢 the scoots. 下痢 the scoots or the runs. Well, this kanji 下 this it means 下 under, everything under to the downside. 下 and ri, in this kanji, this part, the first part, this one, it's something to do with sickness. For example, 病気 病院 hospital 病気 disease or the sickness, we use this one. But inside, this is the kanji that we pronounce ri. So this is why this kanji we pronounce ri. So it's not so difficult if we understand like this. So geiri, so something to down, the runs, the scoots, so geiri. We have a curious expression to say I have the runs. Well, this is お腹を壊す or also お腹が壊れる. Both are the same meaning. Well, お腹, it means tummy, お腹. The verb 壊す, 壊します, it means to break. So お腹を壊す or お腹を壊しました. It means I broke my tummy. And お腹が壊れる. お腹が壊れました. Well, 壊れる、壊れます。This is the intransitive verb. But 壊します、壊す that was transitive verb. Maybe you don't know what is transitive verb, intransitive verb. So don't worry. Just maybe you can just memorize this phrase, one of them, and it means I have the runs. But お腹が壊れる、お腹が壊れました。It means the tummy is broken. The tummy is broken. So the both お腹を壊す、お腹が壊れる both means I have the runs. We've got 3 words to say urine in Japanese. 小便、尿、おしっこ。Well, do you remember 大便? 大便 This is feces. So 小便 This is urine. And 尿 This is also urine. And this word is used in medicine. And 尿 we've got this one here. This kanji is 水 water. So it's easy to understand it, right? And おしっこ and it's if in a normal conversation, if we want to say something about pee, it's better to use おしっこ. This is the normal way to say pee. おしっこ. Number 1. Okay? Because for me, 小便 it sounds a little bit vulgar. So I think it's better not to use 小便. But I recommend you to use おしっこ. Urine analysis. Urine test. We say 尿検査. 尿 urine. 検査 this is the test analysis. So 尿検査 this is urine analysis. Today we learned lots of vocabularies beginning with 便座 and 便器, the toilet seat. Did you like it? I was a little bit embarrassed, but I think it was very important for you to know these kind of things, right? If you liked this video, would you please give me a like? And if you share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it to receive all of my videos. 今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。今日はちょっと恥ずかしかったですが、頑張りました。ではまた見てくださいね。じゃあチャンネル登録といいねボタン、そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたらとても嬉しいです。ぜひよろしくお願いいたします。ではまた会いましょう。じゃあね。バイバイ。